She's a nut. What is she doing?
Sorry. You're late. Sorry. Oh, you're lucky. They're going to see you.
Thank you so much.
This is Jason. You'll be working with him.
Hi, Jason. Thank you for reading with me.
I'm not a reader. I'm an actor.
Oh, sorry.
Ready?
Juicy. Glad you wore the skirt.
Method actor? Bring me my other shoes. So again, I can't say the actual words, but it goes something like, you want to put those boots on?
Yes, madam.
On me.
Yes, madam.
His hand is inside my skirt. His fingers are touching my vag. I slap him. Ow! Thank me for that. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
I force him to his knees. Can you believe the big dick on this one? He thinks he can manipulate some broke, desperate, idiot actress and make her do his bidding. Don't you think that you can do whatever you want with impunity? Use me, your own little pet. Humiliate me? Use me to degrade me?
No, I swear.
I invoke the power and the rage of goddesses, warriors, creators, queens, and mothers. I call on you. Hail, you brave women. Hail, Ma. Hail, Medusa. Hail, Jove. Hail, Aaron Eyes. And hail, Cat.
Who are you?
You know. Say it.
Aphrodite?
Say it.
Aphrodite!
Louder.
Hail! Aphrodite!
Okay, I think we've seen enough. Jason, are you okay?
I just need a minute. Jesus! She's fucking crazy!